They told me I needed $1 million budget just to be seen. They said the gatekeepers held all the keys. It's noisy out here. Everyone's shouting that it's too hard, too technical, or that you aren't pro enough. But looking at this now, the barriers are gone. The only thing stopping you is your own vision.
This is the new era of creation. Let me show you how to own the stage.
We have a cinematic Hollywood-grade shot. Total cost, $0. If you were to hire a freelancer for this, you are looking at $400 minimum, plus 3 days of back and forth emails. We are going to do it in 10 minutes. This workflow is about efficiency. It is about high ROI on your time. Most people get stuck because they run out of free credits immediately. I'm going to show you a specific draft mode setting at the end of this video. It prevents you from burning your account balance. Let's get to work. Open your browser, go to Bytepuls, type it in, hit enter. Here we can use Seedance 1.5 Pro and Seedream 4.5 models for free. These are currently the heavyweight champions of free generation. Click the Try for Free button. You land on the landing page. Ignore the marketing fluff. Click Go to Playground. This is your dashboard. Now, here's the first problem. Look at the guest limit. It says 4 generations. That is useless. We cannot build a workflow on 4 clicks. We need volume. Go to the top right, click Sign In, use your Gmail. Do not skip this. By signing in, the system unlocks 2 million tokens. That is the difference between a toy and a tool. We now have 5 video models, 2 million tokens each, 2 image models, 200 free images each. We can push 4K resolution here. We can do 12-second videos. Let's optimize this. Go to the model list. You see 4 options. Ignore the bottom 2. They are outdated. Select Seedream 4.5. This is the engine we want for high fidelity. Go to the settings panel on the left, resolution, crank it to 4K. Do not settle for 1080p if you don't have to. Aspect ratio, set it to 16:9. Batch size, you can go up to 9, let's stick to 4 for speed. I'm pasting in a specific prompt, we want to test the texture quality. Close-up shot, female astronaut inside a cracked helmet, face illuminated by green bioluminescent floating spores. I added Ridley Scott style and cinematic masterpiece. Hit generate. It's fast, look at this, the visor crack. The sweat on the brow. This is a use future aesthetic, it's professional grade. We have a win. But wait, look at the bottom corner. There is a watermark. We cannot use this for a client. We cannot use this for a presentation. It looks amateur. We need to fix this before we move on. Go back to the input bar. Enter a new prompt, do not generate yet. Click the button labeled Configure. It opens a hidden sub-menu. Scroll down. There it is. Enable watermark. Untick that box immediately. Now let's test a real-world use case. High-energy UGC ad. I am changing the prompt. Influencer holding a glowing green smoothie. High-energy, messy bun. Morning vibe. Result is up, clean, no watermark. Look at the lighting. It's bright. It's natural. This mimics a high-quality social media post perfectly. You just save the cost of a model and a photographer. Let's push the engine. Maybe you don't want realism. Maybe you need a storyboard or a comic book. Let's try an artistic look image. Here we can generate. Prompt. Female samurai, chrome finish skin, bionic plating, neon future. Hit generate. Look at the contrast. It's doing a glitch art style. Digital artifacts mixed with organic beauty. It works. You now know how to handle static images, but static images don't stop the scroll on TikTok or YouTube. We need motion. We're about to switch to the video engine. This is where things get expensive if you aren't careful. If this solution just saved you from manually editing out those watermarks, drop a like on the video. It tells me to find more efficient workflows for you. Let's get back to it. Click the Video Generation tab. We are going to use image to video. First, let's test the cinematic capability. Upload the astronaut image we made earlier. Upload the first frame. You can upload a last frame to guide the video, but let's keep it simple. Just the first frame. Check the settings. Aspect ratio 16:9. Resolution 1080p, duration, here's the problem. Look at the cost estimator. If you generate 4 videos at 6 seconds each, it costs over 1 million tokens. You have 2 million total. You will burn your entire account in 2 clicks. That is bad math. We need to preserve capital. Here's the fix. Look for the draft mode toggle. Turn it on, watch the cost. It drops to 100,000 tokens. That is a 90% savings. This lets us generate 4 variations. We can see the motion, we can check the physics, and we only upscale the one that works. Select Smart Length. This aligns the video duration with the character's dialogues. Hit Generate. This tool is fast compared to the competition.
It's alive. We aren't alone here.
Look at the result. The floating spores are moving. The lighting shifts across the visor. This is cinematic. It retains that high-tension Ridley Scott vibe. But we have one last issue. The watermark is back. Video models have separate settings from image models. Let's fix the watermark, then we go for the money shot. Go to the video configure menu, scroll down, uncheck enable watermark. Now that the settings are clean, let's build the marketing asset. Upload the UGC girl with the green smoothie. Keep draft mode on to save tokens. This is the real test. If you work in marketing, this is what you are looking for. Here are the results.
Okay guys, stop scrolling. You literally have to try this recipe. It changed my life.
Look at the lip sync. It is accurate. Look at the liquid in the bottle. The physics are real. It sloshes correctly when she moves. And 0 watermarks. This is a usable Hollywood quality ad. No royalties, no freelancers. When you hit the token limit on this model, switch to the next model in the list. Or sign out and use a new Gmail. You have the workflow. Go build something. Done.